Actually looking at one of the top of the line Haibikes here, the XDURO AMT Pro. It's a sweet bike, and I've got the honor of talking with Tina here. How's it going, Tina?
Hello, fine.
And you're like a part of this Haibike family. Your great-grandfather started a company in Germany that ultimately created the Haibike series. Can you just give me some background and tell me the story of this?
Yeah, it's the Vinora Group is almost 100 years old, and we are very proud because we are running a lot of brands, and we do have several brands. We belong to the Excel Holding, and in 1995 we decided, because we already had a lot of different brands like Steiger, Vinora, and all of them, they were they carried family bikes, kid bikes, and we wanted to have our own mountain bike brand.
Right.
So in 1995, Haibike was founded. We have the ability to, or the chance to enter the US market right now.
Right.
It's prime time.
And this is 2014, so it's kind of the first year that the Haibikes are coming
into the US. Yeah, it took us a while. But we want to make sure that we have the right product in the right moment for the US market. I'm proud to introduce you to our Haibike AMT Pro, which is one of the top of the range Haibike XDURO bikes.
Is this your favorite one? This one right here?
I do have several of them because we have a strategy called On Any Ground. We are covering every ground because we have a model for everything. Right. We do have an electrical super race road racing bike. We have a hardtail, a full suspension, a 29er. We have almost everything for everybody.
Well, it's quite a machine. I've gotten to review it before. I took it off-road at Interbike at Outdoor Demo Day, and I just didn't realize the history, the heritage. It's neat to hear your story about how the company is over 100 years old, and that you really started with, of course, regular bicycles, because back then there weren't electric, and you're an innovator in the space with Haibike of off-road electric bikes, something that's lightweight, something high quality that can take the abuse that the trail.
Exactly, and this was like, we were able to create great bikes, well developed, German development, German engineering. It took us almost 2 years to create a frame and to build a bike. When Bosch came up with the idea, come on, let's go into the electric bicycle segment.
Right.
And they introduced us to their engine, which is a 350 watt motor and lithium-ion battery pack. So it assists you up to 20 miles per hour. It's a very, very nice mid-center motor and system. So we had the idea to create an electric mountain bike or e-performance bike.
Right.
But our idea was we have to make the battery and the motor part of the frame.
Yeah.
So we developed a unique frame, which was patent pending that time. We developed a lot of different things, especially for the full suspension version and for our complete XDURO line. So we used a hydroforming system to create the frame. We do have a pulley wheel. We do have like the SES. This is the sprocket equalizing system to avoid that the chain drops down during the ride.
This one's on. Can you ride it for a little bit? Do you do that?
Of course.
You've probably been riding since you were a little girl, right?
I'm gonna ride it in the turbo mode.
Turbo,
so
yeah.
Even more fun.
You're going full on. Up. It's pretty fast. Very cool. Oh yeah, get those brakes working for you. Thank you so much for the time. It's always great to go to the source, and get the story, Tina.
Thank you.